In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about customizing your Todoist sidebar. A personalized sidebar can make your workflow more efficient by helping you access the things you need the most. Let's dive into how you can tailor your Todoist sidebar to fit your unique needs, and I'll walk you through each aspect. To begin, the first step is to log into your Todoist account using either a browser or the desktop app. This initial action sets the stage for everything else, as you need to be inside your account to make and see any changes. Once you're logged in, you'll want to start by rearranging your sections. This involves clicking and dragging any project, label or filter to reposition them in the sidebar. By putting your most used sections at the top, you make sure they're always within easy reach, saving you valuable time in your day. Next, you might consider adding or removing sections. For this, click on the plus icon next to projects, labels or filters to create new items. Conversely, if you find there are sections you no longer need, simply right-click on them and select delete. This way your sidebar remains uncluttered, reflecting only what's important to you. Moving on from organizing sections, consider customizing your project colors. To do this, right-click on any project, select Edit Project, and then choose a color. Color coding is a great way to visually categorize different aspects of your life, like work, personal, or health projects. This not only makes your sidebar more visually appealing, but also helps you differentiate your tasks at a glance. Another fantastic feature is managing your favorites. By right-clicking any project, label, or filter and selecting Add to Favorites, you can ensure these items appear at the top of your sidebar. This is particularly useful for projects or labels that you access frequently, as it puts them right at your fingertips. Sometimes a tidy sidebar is key to maintaining focus, and here's where collapsing or expanding sections comes in. By clicking the arrow next to projects, labels or filters, you can collapse sections you don't need to see all the time. This keeps your sidebar looking clean and prevents it from becoming overwhelming. If you feel your sidebar is either too wide or too narrow, you can adjust its width. Simply hover over the sidebar's edge until the resize cursor appears, then click and drag to set it to your preferred size. This tweak ensures that it fits perfectly with how you use your workspace. Lastly, don't forget the themes. By clicking your profile, navigating to settings and selecting theme, you can choose a different color scheme that better suits your style. Customizing your theme can make your Todoist use more visually enjoyable and personalized. That's it for today. By following these steps, you'll have a Todoist sidebar that's not only functional but also a joy to work with. Happy organizing!